the start of a new year comes thoughts to reorganizing to create more space for success in your personal or professional life. Jane Stoller, also known as Organized Jane, is the author of Organize Your Business Like a Boss. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.
And here it is. It's brand new.
Yes, it is.
So what should people be looking at? It's January. I think we're all thinking either purge, reorganize, something.
Well, it's a great time because a lot of us have these resolutions and we just want to get more organized. We're like, okay, how do we start the year off fresh, a little bit decluttered, and start it off feeling a bit lighter? So the first thing is don't stress. Don't do it all at once, but pick an area of your life that you want to start with. Not just stuff, but we talked a little bit about digital decluttering. So what area of your life is stressing you out the most that you can get rid of a few things and not only physical stuff?
Yeah, the digital thing is very key, I think, for us nowadays, right? People find themselves just looking at potentially hundreds of emails you've just been sitting on, don't want to do something with. Where do you even start?
Well, if emails is the issue, is there a way you can just start fresh? Just delete from the last 3 years. I know people always freak out. Can you hire a virtual assistant to help you go through them all and say, okay, make a system for me and I'll stick with it. But now's a really good time. If emails are stressing you out, there's even a few online tools now like Fixer AI and things you can put into your email system to help you get it organized. But start now. You don't have to do it all at once. Hire a virtual assistant if you need, but just really tackle that one thing because those decisions you don't want to delay. You want to start right now to get that a bit more decluttered.
Virtual assistants. I wouldn't have even thought of that, but that is probably a really handy thing.
Super handy, and you can even just do a one-time hire to get your email box cleaned up, get some labels, and then you start from there, or maybe you want to keep them. But emails are really the thing that a lot of people struggle with, and we don't want that to go into the year being like, oh, I'm tied to my emails, I'm so stressed about it, it's causing a lot of anxiety.
Now, you have a six-step program?
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so the 6 steps are really for your home or your business, and the first step is all about time management. So as we go into the new year, think about where you're spending your time, where you don't want to be spending your time, and assess it if you can. And that's a really important, moving on to the next step too, which is all about processes. So in your home or your business, what's the process for doing your accounting? What's the process for, even cleaning your house, things like that. In your business, you have lots of different processes, but get them organized. And it doesn't have to be complicated, simple a few steps on that. Then accounting, which I say start now because taxes are coming up, get it a bit more organized. And then it's human resources, people you have working for you in your home, or maybe tasks you're doing in your home and your business. Marketing, how do we get that organized? And then the 6th step is how to sustain everything.
Oof.
I know it's a lot, but don't stress.
Don't do it all at once.
Exactly.
Yeah, right? Do it literally in a 6-step process.
Yeah.
Should people be kind of looking to clear their minds a little bit?
Yeah, and that's where the time management comes in. So again, what is the one thing this year that is, you're losing a lot of time on, that's causing you anxiety, that you're like, I need to declutter that stuff, that thing, that process, that task that I really don't enjoy doing and I'm not good at. How can we really make that more efficient for you? Whether it's an AI tool, whether it's someone to help you, whether it's eliminating it completely, really think about your time and what you want to eliminate for 2026.
Okay. Now you're speaking in all of this, people might not know, you have a very full resume, if you will, on how to make things work. So what do you hope that people get from your book?
I really hope that you want to just get motivated to start. And again, it's 10 minutes a day, I say, makes a big difference. Whether that closet or that pantry is really causing a little bit of anxiety, maybe my voice in this will give you some motivation to say, hey, I'm going to start 10 minutes a day, start small, and then you can work through the steps. And it's really for if you have a business or if you have a home, we all have kind of processes and things that take up time. So just the motivation is what I really like in this book to get you started and continue with it. Organizing is a lifestyle, and just like anything, we have to work at it, but you don't have to do it all at once.
Just get over that hump.
Exactly. Just start.
And then it kind of snowballs.
Exactly.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Your book is available now.
Yep. On Indigo in Vancouver, or of course on Amazon.
Okay. Thanks so much, Jane Stoller. And for a full list of Palma's picks, you can check out our website at globalnews.ca/Palma's picks. And if you have a suggestion, email us at weekendmorningshow@globalnews.ca. Thank you very much. Happy organizing, everybody.
I know. It's exciting.
It is.